Fortress Power introduces the eVault battery. With its elegant design, it is a whopping 18.5 kilowatt-hour battery and is ideal for residential home energy storage and light commercial projects. Pairing our eVault with a 48-volt DC hybrid inverter will be one of the easiest installations you will ever have. Other batteries are too small for many residential battery inverters, requiring additional time and material to complete the installation. The eVault avoids these costs by already being the right size for the most popular inverter brands. The eVault is scalable up to 12 units for a total of 220 kilowatt-hour. It is comprised of an advanced prismatic cell structure and long-lasting lithium iron phosphate chemistry. It has an advanced digital processor BMS design that offers real-time state of charge information. Most importantly, this battery is safe, reliable, and maintenance-free. I know you want to install this unit. Ask me how. To connect with us, visit www.fortresspower.com. At Fortress Power, we help you secure your energy.